What's up, Pulse fans? Get ready, because we're diving headfirst into the bleeding edge of AI. We've got NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra smashing MLPerf records, a brand new Rubin CPX GPU designed for insane context windows, and a deep dive into the latest MLPerf 5.1 benchmarks showing who's leading the pack. Plus, we're breaking down the mind-blowing revenue potential of NVIDIA's new systems. You do not want to miss this. First up, the groundbreaking performance of NVIDIA's Blackwell Ultra architecture is making waves in the MLPerf inference benchmarks, setting new records that push the boundaries of what's possible with large language models. Then, we're introducing you to NVIDIA's innovative Rubin CPX GPU, a revolutionary piece of hardware engineered to tackle incredibly long context windows in AI, promising unprecedented efficiency and speed. And finally, we're dissecting the latest MLPerf 5.1 results, seeing how NVIDIA continues to dominate while AMD makes its moves, and exploring the staggering revenue projections for NVIDIA's new systems. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a single update. NVIDIA Blackwell Ultra obliterates MLPerf records. Get ready for AI inference performance like never before. As large language models grow exponentially in size and complexity, the demand for raw compute power skyrockets. NVIDIA's new Blackwell Ultra architecture has just debuted in MLPerf Inference v5.1, and it's not just competing, it's setting new industry records across the board, especially for tasks requiring deep reasoning and massive parameter counts. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. NVIDIA's GB300 NVL72 system, powered by Blackwell Ultra, delivered up to 1.4x higher performance per GPU compared to previous generations on the new DeepSeek R1 benchmark. But the real stunner? Compared to older Hopper-based systems, Blackwell Ultra offers an astonishing 5x higher throughput per GPU. This leap is achieved through a combination of cutting-edge hardware enhancements and a highly optimized software stack, including the use of NVFP4 precision for reduced model size and increased computational efficiency, and advanced parallelism techniques like expert parallelism and attention data parallelism balance to keep every GPU working at peak productivity. They've even optimized the Llama 3.1405B benchmark with disaggregated serving, separating context and generation phases for maximum throughput and lower latency. The tech world is buzzing, with analysts highlighting how this performance surge translates directly into more profitable AI deployments. The ability to process complex models faster means companies can accelerate development and deployment, gaining a significant competitive edge in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. But NVIDIA isn't just pushing the limits on current benchmarks, they're also building the future of AI hardware. Next, we're unveiling a game-changing new GPU designed to handle the massive context windows that are becoming the new standard. NVIDIA unveils Rubin CPX, a GPU for insane context windows. Prepare for a paradigm shift in how AI handles vast amounts of information. As AI models tackle increasingly complex tasks involving millions of tokens, the need for specialized hardware to process these massive inputs becomes critical. NVIDIA has answered the call with its groundbreaking Rubin CPX GPU, designed specifically to accelerate the compute-intensive context processing phase for LLMs with over 1 million tokens. This isn't just another GPU, it's a strategic innovation. While current GPUs excel at the generation phase, the prefill or context encoding stage has been a bottleneck. The Rubin CPX, slated for availability next year and offered in configurations like the Vera Rubin NVL144 CPX, addresses this directly. It uses less expensive memory than traditional HBM, significantly reducing costs while boosting attention acceleration by up to 3x. NVIDIA estimates that Rubin CPX, when paired with Rubin GPUs, can increase total inference performance by an additional factor of 3. Turning a $100 million investment into potentially $5 billion in AI revenue. This technology is a game changer for applications in video analysis, code comprehension, and any task requiring deep understanding of extensive data. Industry insiders and analysts are already predicting that this move will force competitors to reevaluate their own hardware strategies, as the benefits of specialized context processing are too significant to ignore. The potential for massive performance gains and cost reductions is already sparking excitement across the AI community. But is this just about new hardware, or is it about the benchmarks that prove it? Next, we dive into the latest MLPerf 5.1 results and see who's truly leading the AI inference race. MLPerf 5.1, NVIDIA dominates, AMD shows its hand. The race for AI inference supremacy is heating up, and the latest MLPerf 5.1 benchmarks are here to show us who's setting the pace. Inference, now accounting for the lion's share of AI hardware utilization, is projected to explode into a multi-billion-dollar market by 2030, fueled by generative AI and real-time applications. NVIDIA continues its reign, showcasing incredible performance with its new Blackwell Ultra GPUs and innovative systems like the GB300 NVL72. Their strategy of disaggregating inference, serving, separating context and generation phases onto different GPUs is yielding dramatic results, with Blackwell outperforming previous generations by over 5 times. NVIDIA isn't just focused on speed. They're emphasizing profitability, calculating that Blackwell can deliver 7 times more profitable AI than its predecessor, with significant ROI from systems like the NVL72. Meanwhile, AMD is stepping up its game, submitting a larger number of benchmarks across its MI product line, including the new MI355X, while the MI355X shows promise, particularly with the adoption of FP4 precision. Much of its performance gains are attributed to this more efficient format. AMD's real push is anticipated next year with the MI400 family and the Helios rack-scale system. Although other companies like Google are developing their own AI hardware, NVIDIA's consistent dominance in MLPerf benchmarks, coupled with their integrated hardware and software solutions, solidifies their current market leadership. The MLPerf results are more than just numbers. They're a testament to relentless innovation and a critical tool for partners and customers justifying AI infrastructure investments. While benchmarks tell part of the story, NVIDIA is also painting a picture of incredible financial returns. Finally, we break down the mind-blowing revenue potential NVIDIA is promising with its latest hardware announcements. NVIDIA's Rubin CPX, turning $100 into $5 in AI revenue. Get ready for a financial revelation in the AI hardware space. NVIDIA has just dropped a bombshell with its Vera Rubin NVL144 CPX system, projecting astronomical returns for investors and a serious competitive advantage for businesses. NVIDIA is claiming that for every $100 million invested in their new Rubin CPX systems, customers could potentially generate $5 billion in AI revenue. This isn't just a marketing slogan. It's backed by hardware designed for the most demanding AI workloads, including processing million-token contexts, generative video, and massive foundation models. The system packs 144 GPUs into a single rack, delivering a projected 7.5x performance increase over current hardware. This massive leap in efficiency and capability means companies can now tackle AI projects previously considered impossible, unlocking new frontiers in AI development and application. This strategic move by NVIDIA, announcing products well in advance, allows data center operators to plan future upgrades and expansions, solidifying NVIDIA's dominance through 2026 and beyond. The clear return on investment story makes massive infrastructure investments not just justifiable, but essential for companies looking to stay ahead in the AI revolution. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Stick around for a lightning-fast recap and our full call to action. And that's a wrap on the hottest AI news. NVIDIA's Blackwell Ultra is shattering MLPerf inference records. The new Rubin CPX GPU is set to revolutionize long-context AI, and MLPerf 5.1 shows NVIDIA still leading the pack, while AMD makes strides. Plus, The potential for NVIDIA's new systems to turn $100 million into $5 billion in revenue is simply staggering. Don't miss out on the future of AI. Like this video, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse, hit that notification bell, share your thoughts in the comments, and follow us on all social platforms for more cutting-edge tech news.